Welcome to Monster Review. Today we're going to look at Actual Veggies. Now this is a vegan product. I've been vegan for 6.5 years after a health issue. I had cancer, non-Hodgkin T-cell lymphoma, and so I became vegan. I was vegetarian through my high school years and a little bit later in life, but we're just going to look at each product. I'm going to cook in the air fryer. You could do either skillet, air fryer, or oven. Then each one suggests certain toppings that would accommodate and would taste good for each product. So this one is, let's see, it's the Super Green Veggie Burger, and so it has with broccoli, kale, white beans, and spinach. And I'm gonna have the information probably right here, closer up of the nutritional facts, so you guys can see it. Okay, so this one is the sweet potato veggie burger with white bean, carrot, and cauliflower. Now, all these are non-GMO, and this one is gluten-free. This one's gluten-free. I think all of them might be. So this one, let's see, it's gluten-free as well, non-GMO. So this is the black bean veggie burger. So with red pepper and caramelized onions. Sounds really good. This one is the purple root veggie burger. That's one that I'm very interested in. Never heard of it. With purple sweet potato. Love sweet potato. Purple carrot and beet. So very happy to try that one. And then this one is the mushroom, I don't know how to say Quinoa veggie burger with shiitake mushrooms. I love mushrooms, spinach, and black bean. And also gluten-free, so they're obviously all gluten-free as well, non-GMO and vegan. So very excited about this because it's hard to find good food, especially in vegan. I know it is for gluten-free. My wife has celiac, and so gluten-free is very hard to find as well. So that's all 5 products, and then we're going to show cooking it, show the inside, and then I'm going to taste test each one separate by themselves, and then I'll taste them with bread and what I normally put on top of inside them, and then we'll just do a final scoring of which one I like the best, rate them in first to fifth, and then the overall package of what I thought of all of them combined, and if you should get it. So just continue watching and you'll see everything that I spoke of. Okay, so I just finished cooking all 5 burgers. We have the purple roots, the black bean, super greens, sweet potato, and mushroom. Same thing on these. I'm going to taste test it with the honey mustard, follow your heart. That's what I use with most of my burgers. But we're going to taste test just the burgers separately by themselves and then decide. Then we'll do these and then we'll do a review. Okay, so first I'm trying the purple roots. That tastes really good by itself. Then the black bean. Wow, this actually would be good in dip. Super green. Yeah, I can tell that. And then sweet potato. And then mushroom. Okay, I'm going to rate it without the bread and the honey mustard first, just by itself. So my first one would be super root, then the mushroom, the black bean, the sweet potato, and then the super green. Those are, so super root, black bean, super green, sweet potato, and our greens and sweet potato. Now I'm gonna taste test the same thing. This is the purple root with the sauce and the bread. This is pretzel bread. That's really good. Okay. This is the black bean. I think the black bean is actually better with the sauce and bread. This is super green. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, sweet potato. I love sweet potatoes. Then this is the mushroom. Okay, now I'm gonna rate it with the bread and the sauce. Then I'm gonna rate the black bean first, then the mushroom, the sweet potato, the purple roots, and the super green. So pretty much, I loved every single one of them. They all have flavor. I think the one that probably lacks the most flavor is the super green. I think it needs a little bit more flavor. You can't, so you would have to add stuff to it. But overall, just a great lineup of burgers. Okay, so after trying all 5 burgers, very impressed with the lineup. All 5 tasted great. There were some that stood out and some that did not. So like the purple root, the sweet potato, and the black bean were my 3 favorites. All 3 of them had a lot of flavor. They tasted great by themselves. They also tasted great with a bun and also some honey mustard. The super green kind of like flavor. Also the mushroom, it kind of breaks up very easily. Now I did listen to the instructions, 4 minutes in the air fryer, 4 minutes after flip it. I did add an extra 40 seconds to a minute so it did warm, because some of the I did all 5 one time so I could taste test it, but some of the insides were a little cold, so I had to do 40 seconds extra. Now I will say that, like I said, all the textures were good. Just the super green needed flavor, and then the mushroom had a tendency to break up really easily. Now it did have use a spatula to flip it. It did stick to pretty much the pan, so I had to flip it really carefully because I didn't want it to break. That was one concern. But overall, in comparison to Beyond Meat and some of the other vegan burgers I've taste tested, I think these have more flavor, especially those 3 that I mentioned. And they didn't taste over salted, so I was very happy with that. But just a great lineup. I would highly recommend it. These I think you buy them online. They're also sold different stores, probably Publix, Whole Foods. Those are the main places we buy vegan food, because there is not that many places around here that have vegan food. I mean, we don't have Sprouts near us. It's quite a long drive, but those 2 are the main ones. Of course, you could go to your Target, might find some there. Also, Walmart, they seem to have some vegan foods as well. But overall, just very impressed with the different flavor palettes, different flavor tastes, because I love just sweet potato, and the purple one was pretty cool. Had a unique flavor. Just and the black bean kind of reminds me of a dip. So it's almost like you're putting a burger. And almost so really cool, different flavors. Highly recommend it. And so hopefully this helped you in your buying decision process. And we'll see you in the next video.